Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry, this generation right here from year 2015, 16 and 17. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the power, where the relay for the power windows is located. Power windows relay, where you can find it. It's hidden, by the way. Where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission, we show you how to do practically almost anything guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, on Toyota Camry guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business guys, because otherwise if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses guys, okay, you have different kinds of relays, you have these special fuses by the way that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So now guys, okay, let's explain what we have here specifically. We will demonstrate on this 2017 Toyota Camry right here guys. Where is the power windows relay? You guys have two different fuse boxes. The first one is on the driver's side. If you open the door, look above the pedals under the dash on the left side, you will see one white cover, and when you open that white cover you see a fuse box layout like this one. But there is no relays here guys. No relays at all. So where is the power windows relay? Open the hood guys. Here on the right side we have the fuse box, engine fuse box right here under this cover. Open that cover and you will see that fuse box layout here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Power windows relay guys, you have up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 relays. None of those is for the power windows. So where is that relay? We did a lot of research guys, and what we found, okay, hours and hours of research, actually there are two options, but 90% we're convinced that it's part of that integration relay. That's that computerized relay right here. The other option, okay, it could be part of the BCM. This is the body control module, practically the computer for your car body. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time.